Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into LinkedIn and confirming your login details so nothing blocks the process. Once signed in, make quick decisions about what to retain, connections, posts, or messages because hibernation limits visibility. Make sure to export your data now via Settings Data Privacy Get a Copy. This preserves contacts and content. If you're responsible for business pages, transfer admin roles. Otherwise, your page access may be affected. Now move to the account controls to pause activity. You go to Me, then Settings and Privacy, then Account Preferences and open Hibernation. Once there, choose whether to set a specific duration or leave it indefinite. This determines automatic reactivation. Make sure to select which profile elements are hidden, profile visibility, search listings, and activity broadcast, because they directly control discoverability. Also adjust email and notification settings so you won't receive external messages or job alerts while hibernating. Confirm and accept the warnings to apply the state. You finalize by confirming the hibernation email and then verifying that your profile behaves as expected from a separate account. This proves hiding worked. Once done, remember reactivation is simple. Sign back in and follow the reactivation prompts under Account Preferences, which restores visibility and notifications. If something goes wrong, for example, you still appear in Search, Clear Browser Cache, try a different browser or device, and contact LinkedIn support with your account ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.